All right, hello there, Instagrammers, YouTubers. This is Michael, and I'm here at the family farm, and we do a hog roast every October. And this is 2018, so here's the hog roast, and we do a little tractor and car show here. So just to hold on, I'll show you some of what we got. We'll start off here with a little Ford 8-inch, got a high and low Sherman transmission in it. There's a Farm OB John Deere. Nice little 2-cylinder. Don't know what year that little Massey Harris is, but it's a little pony. Come on, y'all want to take off? That's the one we call the Pink Lady. If you all have looked at any of my other videos, this is the MTA that I showed you us building this little smokestack and how we put it together. That's what it looks like now after it's done. Here's another Super M we've got. Well, International Utility. That's a nice little tractor, a little powerful powerhouse is what they are, the way they're set up. Now, here's the one I've called the Papa Smurf. Little Ford 9000. It ain't really little, I shouldn't say that, but it's a early 70 model. We had one dual wheel off doing some chopping with it there. But good little tractor, that's what we typically do with it. It's chopping and does a few rolling and working ground in the spring. Here's a tractor Michael Steven painted up for parades and tractor drives, and he's done some stuff with some weddings and stuff for people. That's not original paint the way it's set up. It's supposed to be red like this H, but he wanted to do that kind of patriotic thimble and seam, and it's nice looking, that's for sure. Looks sharp. And then here's another M, early M model M. Here's some of our little toys. Some of the family friends there have brought little lawnmowers. One little tidbit I like about these little Panzers, this one right here, it actually has a Plymouth rear end in it, car rear end. Alright, one of our neighbors here has been putting his 4-wheel drive truck back together, his Bigfoot truck, after it got burnt down in his garage, and this is where he's at putting it back together. He's lowered the stance a little bit, about 6 inches he said, but it's definitely a work in progress. But for that older model Ford, that's a good looking old truck, you ask me. And I'll be honest with you, I don't care what anybody else's opinion is on it. Here is my father-in-law's old Chevrolet. There's your two old Dodge Chargers, an orange one and a blue one back there. There's a 40 model Chevrolet Custom Deluxe. That's my dad's old car. And one of his brothers owns this one, and one of his brothers owns that one. And then that's one of his brothers bought this one and fixed it. That's a little half-ton. My dad's got a actually 51 at the 3/4 ton with an 8-foot box and a 4-speed in the floor instead of a 3-speed on the column. There's one thing about this truck I like. The interior is been stained and then polyurethane. So that's what I think is cool about this. So you see the brush strokes in it. It just got a beautiful dash and body inside. There's the seat. Can't beat these old trucks, that's for sure. See ya.